Hi everyone, welcome back to another video explaining Skiff, the end-to-end encrypted and private collaboration platform. Today we will be talking about how to use Skiff Drive. Skiff Drive protects your files with end-to-end encryption so you can share your work securely. Let's get started. Skiff Drive works behind the scenes to allow you to upload any and all file types onto your Skiff account. Navigate to the Home tab within Skiff Pages. Once you are there, you'll be able to upload, sort, and store all your files, documents, and data within Skiff. From the top left corner of your dashboard, you'll be able to create a new folder, upload a new file, and even create a new Skiff page. When uploading a file, you'll have the choice of uploading directly from your device or importing your files from Google Docs. Let's try it out. First, we will upload an audio file. I start off by selecting the upload icon in the top left corner of the dashboard. I then select Upload from my local computer and select the audio file I want to upload to Skiff. Once your file is finished uploading, it will be safely stored for future use. For audio and video files, you will even be able to preview the contents inside Skiff. Next, let's upload an image. Going through the same process as before, I can upload an image directly from my local computer. Once the image has finished downloading, you will be able to preview the image by selecting it on your dashboard. Skiff gives you the option of storing your files on the Interplanetary File System, also known as IPFS. All you have to do is go to your settings and enable the IPFS storage option. Once this is done, all future file uploads will be stored through IPFS. Let's test it out by uploading a zipped file onto Skiff. This file will now have a little icon on the right that shows the IPFS address where the file is stored. If you want to disable IPFS, you'll have to go back into settings again and turn off the IPFS option. Once you have uploaded all your desired files, you will be able to share any one of them by moving to the far right of the file and selecting the Share option. Select the users and permissions you want for the file, and then select Invite. Additionally, you can generate an end-to-end encrypted link to the file, which you can share with any potential collaborator. To export a file, you will need to select the file and click the Export option in the top left corner of your dashboard. Sort your files by toggling the created or modified text in the right corner. Finally, if you want to delete a file, select the desired file and click the delete icon in the top left of your dashboard. That's it for this video. Check out some of our other videos or join our Discord, link in the description below, to get the most out of Skiff.